morning, everyone, and our future investors. So, in this occasion, please let us introduce you to our business newest innovation. We are really proud of this product, and we are optimistic that many people will enjoy our product. We have a big hope that you like our idea, yet you could contribute to be a part of development of our business. So let's get started. So this is the new product that our business is currently developing. The name of the product is LINGUAPOLY. It comes from the Latin word lingua, which means language, and monopoly. So this is an educative board game. Actually, we are inspired by the Monopoly game, but the rules are different than Monopoly. In LINGUAPOLY, you should use your English skills in order to win. This is why LINGUAPOLY is an educative board game. We have different kinds of levels in each edition. In this edition, which is Jakarta theme, it is for beginner level. The English questions and tasks are meant for young language learners or people at the beginner level of English learning. And our tagline is test and enhance your English skills while throwing the dice at the same time. Next. The LINGUAPOLY game was created from the longing of the creators for physical board games that the desire to chat with friends directly without involving a single gadget. It inspired creators to create a game, LINGUAPOLY. So LINGUAPOLY is not just a board game, as I mentioned earlier, but also a means of training and testing skills with friends. LINGUAPOLY is a solution for English teachers to provide students with an experience of playing while learning. LINGUAPOLY is also a solution for parents who are tired of watching their children play electronic devices for hours. And our mission is to provide useful and fun physical educational games that can be played with friends and family. Next. And the problems that we highlight is the increasing use of smartphones in the current era causes a lack of face-to-face interaction between humans. Adults and children spend hours staring at the cell phone screen every day. This causes humans to become dependent on smartphones, and of course, this is not everybody wants. And according to survey, most children spend more than 4.5 hours per day on gadgets and only 40 minutes of outdoor activities. This means that 12 hours a day, children spend more than a third of their time looking at gadget screens, including smartphones, and only 6% are outdoors. Researchers have also proven a clear link between nearsightedness and spending less time outdoors in childhood. And there's also a survey shows that more than 19% of teenagers in Indonesia are addicted to the internet. And nearly 63% of parents are concerned about how long their child spend time indoors, with 75% of parents admitting they are aware of protecting their child's vision. And the studies in Indonesia state that one of the main problems in English learning is learning activities that are less interactive, so that students lack of interest and motivation to learn. So we came for a solution that is to decrease smartphone addictivity. Children, teenagers, and adults can do physical activity. So this is one of the physical activity that we mean. With playing physical games such as LINGUAPOLY, people can start the screen diet and can interact face to face with other people at the same time. And LINGUAPOLY is not just a board game. LINGUAPOLY can train decision making skills, tactics, focus, and critical thinking skills. And the main thing about LINGUAPOLY is learning by playing and playing by learning. LINGUAPOLY provides dozens of different questions in each edition and provides an opportunity for you and your friends to compete in learning and with excitement and fun. And LINGUAPOLY is also environmentally friendly physical game. Like all the materials used are recycled paper and plastic. LINGUAPOLY also supports waste reductions with the Take Plastic Waste and Get It Free program, where consumers can exchange plastic waste for a set of LINGUAPOLY games. So this is the our illustration board. Next will be explained by my friend.
Okay, thank you, Dini. So this is the card that we use in our game. The first one is purple card, first question, vocabulary knowledge. The difficulty of the question is adjust in each level. The second one is treasure chest card. Decide the pounds destiny could be bad or good result. The last is library card. Question about English grammar, critical thinking required. Oh no, no sorry. Fill in the blank question and so on. The difficulty of the question is adjust in each level. Next one. Okay, so here's a package of LINGUAPOLY board game. As you can see, there's a lot of package in here. You can read it as well. Next, please. Okay, so here's a game rules that you can know if you want to play a LINGUAPOLY. The first one, each time they cross the border and receiving taxes. Next one. So here's the business model that we use. First one is so here's a contribution to SDGs. So our business project properly are made from used material. LINGUAPOLY board and the question card are made from recycled paper and the pound are made from plastic, from recycled plastic. So LINGUAPOLY is an environmentally friendly physical game. So all the game's material used are recycled paper and plastic. So LINGUAPOLY support waste reduction with the take plastic around you, take the game with you program, where customer can exchange plastic waste for a set of LINGUAPOLY game. Okay, so that's kind of my explanation. The next will continue with Reza. Thank you.
Board games are widely popular amongst the adult and kids in worldwide. The school students commonly play various strategy-based, team-based board game to build their critical and analytical capability. This is just like our business idea about the Monopoly games that based on language learning. Additionally, growing parental focus toward their children brain development through as a board game is probably likely to demand. The growing popularity of tabletop games among the higher income group of the population is likely to provide newer opportunities in the market. Market validation because of children like to learn while playing games, we decided to test and ask 7 out of 10 students about our game and how they felt. They agree that our games have benefits for children who want to learn languages. So our market validation is for children, and it also possible for a teacher who want to use this game as one of the material used in the classroom. According to the study conducted by Jingwen Shi et al. In 2021, titled Student Parent Teacher Perception Toward Digital Game, this study resulted that teacher and parents are hoping for the game designer to incorporate the expectation of teachers and parents in the game design. They are longing for quality educative games. We distribute questionnaires related to respondent opinion about our product. Whoever respondent interested buying our products. Respondent are 100 people consisting parents, teacher, and students. 90 89 out of 100 respondents interested by our products, and 92 of 100 respondents agree that our products are very attractive. The competitors in 2022, there are lots of competitors who are greater than our business. Especially for the general like games, we have the same competitors in the game, especially for the physical games such as Uno. Uno is a card shading game played with its own unique deck of cards and so on. But the thing that our business idea have a lot of advantage, especially on education purpose, that the other physical games don't. We have different level each gameplay that can make the kids improve their ability. And this is our land canvas. Why use finance? First of all, the process of evolving an idea into products or the service requires immense amounts of time, money, effort, and skills. If we got a funding investor, we will have an ability to hire specialists, invest in product costs, and keep our business operating running. Second of all, start our future to grow our network and make our startup business growing, but by finding an investor, our financial will grow and make advantage and new opportunities. The last, our market is very wide: school, LTOs, parents, kids, adults, and all market of LinguaPoly. Our startup business can evolve to be bigger and better if we get funding for our startup, and also there are big change that our game might be liked by the students and also becoming trend. And this is about our team: Aldi Gunawan, Dini Rahmasari, and Reza Fahmi. Our background is English education students and future teachers, make us really concerned about finding way to learn to teach English. We want to solve the problem difficulty improving English language skills, namely because of the large interest learning monotones way learning. The three founders of LinguaPoly, that game enthusiasts, together we discover fun stuff in the game. We will keep innovating and we believe this game will be more and more exciting in the future. The next our step, introduce LinguaPoly to broader communities. Develop online platform for LinguaPoly which provide all user leader and information about LinguaPoly championship. Develop game updates such as new quests, roles, level, and fun.
That's all of the things that we could explain to you. Thank you for listening, and we really hope that you are interested in investing in our business, because we really believe that this product is what people need and what people are looking for. Thank you.